Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u aro kini gilongi khubor bamta kasngi ka True North Center kabadonia ka jaka jingi kablatip kum ka True North Swimming Academy kalayo ka jingirap hapo ka CM Elevate kabalong shiklur tingka yathu ba Gary Lamari uway na kinong penyat uba Gary ulapan pau bagani ka center ka donru ka gym Henry ka jing perkhat kalong ban pinslur ya ka jingile kai swimming Uba Gary ula benrap baka pool kadai ka bapenya daki trainer balatip bat la shakri daki instructor bala kot kti ban ai ka jingshan bapura ya kinong shong benta ya gani la pli da umentri rangba ka jilla u konrad ki sangma menaka arpsan trek unaitung Umentri rangba kum ukon san pli pat ba ya ka True North Swimming Academy hala palang kablate hapo ka CM Elevate program ula penpau ya ka jing snokmen ban yo I ya ka jing shna ka bapaka ka infrastructure ka bakarpang bar ka jing shimkhya jung ka kinhun balasdang ya kani ka project nga snothu shisha ya ka jing I bar ka jing shimkhya jung kinong trei bar kani ka academy ka long ka saki baba baladangi trei shitom bat I ya ka ei ka bangile nginla banwan ra jing job la ong ukonran mentri rangba ulo ongru ba ka don kam ka rukam perkhat ka bathamai bar ka rukam trei ka bala pinkhre ban karshani ki samla ki ba mi manla uslem ban wan shakat hit kamai ka ji nilap diang bat ai jing karshan haduh arhajar haspa sakho project hapo ka CM Elevate hashisne bat nilap pelat haduh shispa sakho klur tingka Shaginong penyat ka Kathon kalong banyarap arkho hajan kinong ile kai ban nong trei kam la jong hakini ki ar lani laisnem banwan ban ngilabu kamang tingka palat san spa klur tingka la pentip ukonran mentri rangba ula penpauru ba ukermen ba kani ka academy kan penmi ya kinong penyele kai ki bala banwan ra takma ha ka national games arhajar arnyo
than even the teenage population. And hence, more and more people are going to enter the workforce. Today, 70,000 enter the workforce every year. There are, on an average, close to 1,500 government jobs that may come up in different spaces. What happens?
And submitted a detailed plans and proposals for construction of a G+3-story indoor stadium on the land of Treikam. The indoor stadium is envisaged to be catered not only to the residents of Lapanam but also to those of neighboring localities on the Nanamtumai Dorpat Pallur.
The road, and I found the road conditions to be very bad, and I've taken note of that myself. I try my best to make sure the roads are good everywhere, but our state will be small, but it's quite big when it comes to
Clean, green, pleasant environment and high quality of life for every resident and passerby. We also plan to submit a proposal for
We have spent over 5,000 crores on development of roads and maintenance of roads, which, let me tell you, is more than what we spent in the last 20 years in the construction of roads. So a lot of
and looking at your team, I can imagine talking to your banks, I can imagine talking to your landlord, I can imagine how we convince them that must be each other every month, you want here.
And I remember there was no money in the bank. And I really struggling. I still remember, of course, that there was one gentleman, and I mentioned his name, I would like to promote because I've always believed that sports is an excellent way to ensure that we're able to engage our youngsters.
Lapanam market towards Saulan, which serves as a vital connecting link to New Shillong. We would also like to take
while the remaining was availed as a loan given by the Shillong Cooperative Urban Bank. So a good example of how partnership between public and private can really be a shining example for the development of our state. So we are happy to share with everybody that under the Honorable Chief Minister's vision, the CM Elevate scheme is open to all. We're planning to launch new schemes. The portal is going to be open soon. We urge everybody to apply, and we thank the Honorable Chief Minister for his vision, and we thank the entrepreneurs of True North for taking it forward in such a grand way that we're having this wonderful inauguration today. So thank you so much. Kubleshi Gunjay.
There is a lot actually I want to say, but I think the time is too short, so I will not speak too much. But when I entered this place, I almost forgot that I'm in Shillong. And the kind of quality, the kind of importance and focus on details, the quality of the infrastructure, and what really made me stand up and listen was the passion of the team that is running and had started this project. And I think this perfect combination and the results that we see in front of us, I think is a great example of what we can achieve if we put our heart and soul into what we believe. And I really want to congratulate the team of True North. I think true to the word or the name of the company, True North, and I'm guessing North means the top. So it's really a top class institute and a fitness center. So I congratulate Gary and congratulate the entire team for all the efforts they have put in. And I think it's correctly mentioned by Gary that you will be transforming lives from this place. And therefore, there's a huge responsibility and expectation. And the difficult part starts now. Because now you will be shaping, the future of the young sportspersons, the young swimmers. And I think that's a big responsibility that you have. So I wish you the very best, and we are always there to support in every possible way to make sure that this particular swimming institute and fitness center should become one of the best, not just in our state, but in the entire region of the northeast part of India. When I was telling you about the small details, these are the details that I talk about. These are small things, but it explains and it shows how much thought has gone into making this entire place what it is today. So therefore, keep always believing in yourself, and our young swimmers are here, and I'm sure on the other side, never get demotivated, and we have a beautiful opportunity now. I don't think in the past so many youngsters must have longed for an infrastructure like this to be able to become swimmers, but they never got that opportunity. I think you are very lucky today to be able to get an opportunity and infrastructure like this. So please make very good use of it, and as I said, come out as winners in the future. So thank you once again. I wish this particular program, I wish this particular institute, and I wish all the young swimmers and all the young sportspersons and athletes the very best for the future. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kubleshi Gun, Utela, and Jai.